Alkaline. Peace, love, and light. Alright, you guys, this is the Jicama. Look at it. Look at it. I got it cut up. I got the fried look. And this is the one that I just cut up. This is the one I cut up. This one I did not boil. That's how I cut up. It's got the fried look to it. It's got a sprinkle of salt on it. I did have one. Some natural sea salt, of course. I did have one, and you really, like I said, it still got the apple taste to it, you know? Like a slight apple taste to it. You know, it's different. So it's almost like eating an apple chip. Yeah. Let me know if you guys had the Jicama before. How'd you guys prepare it? What did you guys do? Did you dice it? What did you have it with? Did you have it with the size with? Because I think I'm going to have this. But it's only a little bit. So really get my taste buds going. You know what I'm saying? Then I'm going to throw down. You hear me? With another meal, of course. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the bell notification. Check out the links and stuff for the description box. That stuff is all there for you. All right, you guys have a great one. Peace, love, and light.